Today's video, I want to talk to you guys about this. This is my 2019, with the first release date of GoPro Hero 8. This GoPro Hero 8 Black. And I bought this, and it's about 5 years now since I finally upgraded to the DJI Pocket, which is I'm using right now, Pocket 3. And I want to share with you guys the difference and my thoughts and everything about that, just so you guys can make an educated, guess. Can you guys make an informed decision if you guys were thinking about doing the same thing that I did? I want to share with you guys, like, this is almost a little bit bittersweet, because I actually really love this thing. It's been with me for the whole entire channel, 50 plus videos, all shot through this little thing. And I bought this along with like a few stuff right here, little accessories, just so that way I can make content. My focus was literally just about making content, just learning the ropes and understanding like the difference between 1080p, 30 frames per second, everything about that, so I can take it everywhere and just grow from it and learn from it, and then upgrade it when I was fully ready. This has literally went with me everywhere. I took it to the United States, I took it to different parts in Asia, I took it everywhere, made videos, Toronto, all these trips, everything about this. I do recommend this to people that if they're on a budget. Right, you can slowly buy these little pieces, which I did later on, right, as you go along. But I do recommend like these core essential things that you should buy, and you can buy them at different. I don't have no affiliate links or anything, but you can buy it all separately, as long as you grow. And that was my focus. I don't like to buy stuff that is like worth a bajillion dollars and then work on it and then just not be inspired by it. Right, I wanted to build that habit and then work towards building and upgrading slowly. This is literally my philosophy, and then it's not for everybody, but this is how it worked for me. So when I purchased this, I purchased the GoPro, and then I needed the shell that allows it to go and hook up with other products with it. So this was the Ulanzi, I bought it from Amazon, Ulanzi like aluminum case for the GoPro Hero 8. If I had to do it all over again on a budget, I would buy the GoPro Hero 12 or 11. I would always even look on Facebook Marketplace and see if it all works, sensors work and everything is all good to go. Buy the 11 or 12, buy the case, and then there is an adapter by GoPro, which again, like, look how much I've used it. I've taped it and everything. It's crazy. And the purpose for this adapter is for the headphone jack. I don't know if you guys can see. Can we lock into it? Okay, anyways, it's a headphone jack. Okay, it is a headphone jack for this, and then you put it underneath this part right here, which is very, very interesting. So let me show you how this was literally my setup for past 5 years. This goes in here, okay? You take the little case off, and it comes with a shell, metal piece to lock it in, right? Protects it. And then the back casing. And I'm retiring this product, right? I love it. I will use it now if we're going to some place that's really sketchy. I would use it like if, let's just say, for example, we were in Thailand and we were gonna play with elephants. I'm not gonna bring my $1,100 DJI Pocket, right? So this is the product that I would use, right? So I would connect this. There's a little this is like through just design, right? It has a perfect slot. This is from like just people telling the company that this is working with this or that. And they created a shell for particularly this, so you can expand the audio portion of it. So I would attach a receiver, which also now I don't need it anymore because I have a wireless Bluetooth connection with my DJI Pocket, we will talk about that in a second, but this was literally my setup, and I don't have it with me, but I used the Hollyland Lark M1. I can't remember, but it was like $100. I bought it used, but it's about $100, $110 brand new nowadays. And that thing was available with 2 mics and a receiver, and it has a cold shoe mount up here. So attached to the mic, right? And then I would just record videos. Just go around, just record videos and creating content. The only downside of this is that because due to the sensors being smaller, they say you can record in 4K. And I don't know about the Hero 12 nowadays and 11. I don't know how good they are, but for this at the time, this was like the newest thing at the time in 2019, and I used it, and I just, it just came, it did the job. But over time, as I like just honed my skill sets, and I realized that like all the videos I made, they were kind of grainy, and they weren't up to the standard that I've built up for myself. And so now we've gotten to the point where this is time to upgrade to the new. I only have the box. I'm using it right now, but I have the box with me. But the DJI Pocket 3, and this is worth every penny now, in my opinion. For the longest time, my friend John bought it, and he says it was worth it and such like that. And I'm cheap. I want to learn. I want to learn all my like everything about it. I'm like, are you sure? Is there something not better out there? I did extensive research. I did from the extensive research from like Insta360 Ace Pro, which is like I had a flip up screen. I had another Hero, like I just was gonna either get GoPro Hero 12. There was so many other options. Like even I was looking into like the last generations of like DJI Pocket 2, and every single one just didn't scratch that itch. I don't know why, but I just did extensive research comparing the prices. Like this is how I usually am, even when I'm buying cars or whatever, but I had to compare everything and make sure like this is covering exactly what I wanted out of because I wanted to grow. I'm ready to the point where like I'm building a business now with like product content and such. I've seen people use this product, DJI Pocket 3, to go and shoot videos for like music videos, content, weddings, real estate, house showings, like everything is used in this product now. And the first time I saw it was in Thailand. A Korean girl had it, and I thought, it looks so brittle. And it is brittle, but for what it is, it's a 1-inch sensor, and it does phenomenal. Right now I'm recording this in 4K at 30 frames per second, and I will tell you, like I will hopefully like look at it and it looks amazing, but I love this product already. This, like I saved, worked really hard, got my bonus at work, and I said, you know what, this is it. I'm ready to retire. Good old Betsy over here, good old Betsy. And so this is definitely served this purpose now, but it's time to move on to better things. But I want to just tell you, like, if I had to do it all over again, let's just say you want to start a brand new channel, YouTube channel, or anything like that, and like I understand, like a lot of people like will recommend like it's your phone, use your phone and record. But the thing is, like, it's easier said than done, right? Easier said than done. You want something not too big. I've seen a lot of people run around with large camera setups with like tripods. Like you don't want like a Casey Neistat setup, like it's fine, but it is super awkward to record videos. I've already shot this like 3 times. And your phone, you're just going around, it's kind of awkward, and you have to remember like stabilization isn't that great on phones. Sometimes, I guess maybe like the new iPhones might be, but I don't think these ones are. And stabilization on this is not too bad if you're just kind of like aware, right? My only issue was like more about stabilization and displaying the content and showing what's around, which is now like I don't have that problem at all anymore. I've noticed I've critiqued and learned a lot throughout my videos, and I've realized that whenever I'm showing a lot of places, my hands is too quick, right? So I'm trying to display something and it doesn't work out very well. Like this one, for example, it's like fast tracking. It's like, look at this, like look how smooth this is. Like, right, this is amazing. I love this, everything about it right now. Like it is worth every single penny. And like, I want to show you guys a little unboxing of it, right? Everything about it. Oh, it smells so good. But, I wanted to share with you guys, like, we got like the hard case and everything, and we're gonna run you guys a quick video, me unboxing it and showing you guys everything I love about it. I love everything about this product, from the hard case, from everything, from just the whole entire bit. It was just worth it. I love that it came with an extra battery, a stand. Everything about this product was worth every penny. And like I looked for this, I wanted to either debate on the DJI Pocket by itself or the Creator Pack, right? The Creator Pack, the separate between the two. I was gonna go and pull the trigger on the regular one, but the thing is like the products that came along with it, like this mic, I love it. Like it's one of the coolest things. Now it's made my other setup basically obsolete, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Like why would I want to spend more money to kind of hook up and do a wired setup on this DJI Pocket when it's already at top peak performance, right? It's like you're not gonna throw a Honda engine inside a Ferrari when the Ferrari is like, it doesn't make sense, right? And so everything about this product, like it comes with lens, it comes with like this like little like, you know, wide lens setup. And then like you get to learn, what's cool about the app is like you get to learn about different like settings for this. DJI, I don't know what about this DJI, this company. It's like they've shown you so much to do with their apps and everything. You get to learn, and there's so much content about it. There's almost no excuse anymore to create products like this. And I love everything about this. And yeah, definitely worth it. Every penny. If you're tight on a budget, I would recommend the GoPro, like, you know, maybe a used GoPro from like 10 onwards, right? Because like they had the front screen. And go from there, because like I think also I was using the 8. The 8 does not have the front screen, so I didn't know I was in frame. So a lot of the time when I was recording, I'm just kind of aiming and guessing, so it didn't really bow too well. Whereas now, like I'm literally looking, but I also see there's a screen, and you can see everything. Like, wow. I'm excited to see where this all kind of pans out, goes from there. And yeah, like you guys can check out my little unboxing on it, and I love everything about it. I'm just gonna run it and maybe clip it in between, but this is definitely a worthwhile product, I think. It's definitely worth every penny in my opinion, and I do recommend it to anybody that is aspiring to wanna step up your game in content, products, or anything about it. Like you can do so much. You want a product where you can grow with it and be very versatile, and then grow and do multiple things. And there's so many, and I keep watching TikToks and YouTube videos, and like people are like learning on different things and all these, like what? So yeah, it's almost a little bittersweet, you know, retiring old Betsy, but it's if I had to start over, I would not change anything about it. Like I would try to run this and maybe make some money and grow from there, and then do a little gig work and such, and then pick up and then save money to ultimately get this, the DJI Pocket 3, which is like phenomenal product. And so, but for budget friendly such, like you can buy like the GoPro Hero 11, 12, about $400 or $500. The case, the aluminum case is about, I've seen it for like 60 bucks Canadian. And then the adapter is about $100 if I recall. I don't know why it's that much, but again, I would rather buy a used product. We'll see first, like on Facebook Marketplace. I'm sure you guys can find one if you guys are just starting out and starting that YouTube channel, because it's all about getting that content out there, right? Content out there, and then once you're ready, just boom, then you're ready to make better content, color grading. You want to do all of these things. It's all about starting and then going out from there. And then now, like I said, now I've finally upgraded. We're finally upgraded to 4K 30 frames per second. Like this, I'm excited. I'm excited about this product, and lately, like the weather has not been very good. Right now I'm recording this and it is snowing, but anyways, guys, I hope you guys like this little review setup. I love everything about this. I want to say recommend, yes, get the DJI Pocket 3. I don't know if it's ever gonna, you know, who knows what's gonna come out next for DJI, the company itself. It's been about a year and a half, I think, since it's been out, and it's been a phenomenal product. I don't know if they're gonna release like a 4 or anything like that, but this is definitely future-proof. I'm definitely gonna use this for the next 5 years, and then we'll upgrade from there on out, right? Like this is how you grow. This is how it's done, and this is, you get your money's worth. You learn, you hone that skill set, and I recommend it to everybody who is aspiring. And yeah, anyways, guys, hope you guys have a good one. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and I appreciate you all for this, and I'm excited for what's to come for the channel. We can finally crack that 200 subscriber mark, and we are good to go. Take care, guys.